Welcome to the Pixar, powered by Maths Technology. I am your host, Engineer Iranya Nadozie Chimobi. Today, we have an interesting topic as regards our program, and basically, we are going to start from the basics. That's differentiating between the electricals and electronics, giving you a basic understanding and knowledge to differentiate between electricals and electronics. When we talk about electricals, we are talking about power flow from a line. Power flow from a line can be from a generating station, can be from a hydro generating station, or from your generator, from your home generator, or from any source of electricity. That's the power flow. And this power flow can be controlled or stepped down to a DC voltage, to a DC voltage of less than 222 volts. And that is a safe use of electric flow. What I'm trying to explain is that when we are talking about electricals, let me give you a further example. You can talk about a power flow from a line of 11 or 33 kVA line to a transformer unit. And in that transformer unit, we have a mutual inductance or mutual transformation of electron flows from primary coil to the secondary coil, which is stepped down to 220 volts. And that 220 volts is the safe use of electricity, which is stepped down to your homes. And you use it for powering devices, electrical devices like your boiler, your kettle, or even your ceiling fan. These are electrical devices that can be powered directly from that 220 volts that the transformer has stepped down. Then when we are talking about the electronics, we are talking about the further breaking down of the voltage from 220 volts to voltage like 12 volts down, 12 volts, 9 volts, 5 volts, 3.7 volts, which is your battery phone, basically your phone battery power. So this voltage is now, as it is broken down from AC to DC down to that 12 volts and furthermore, that is when we refer to it as an electronics. And why do we call it as an electronics? That power flow that is coming from your transformer is now controlled. It's now controlled, broken down, sent to different components to regulate it and bring it out, bring an output of your desire, which can be your phone, your television, your remote control, basically those gadgets or devices that you basically use in the house. Those are the electronics. So you can now differentiate between the electricals and the electronics. When we're talking about, like I said, let me summarize this in a sum. Electricals is the inflow of power from a source to your home, which can